Hi, I'm Tim Gibson. I'm going to talk to you about how to fix a garbage disposal that leaks. Now, there is a couple areas that we will need to check when we're looking for a leak in a garbage disposal. So if you've got some evidence in your sink that you've got some leaking, then it could be a possibility that it's the gasket between the garbage disposal connector and the sink, or it could be between the locking ring from the garbage disposal to the connector, the drain, or it could be this drain coming from the dishwasher. This flexible piece actually comes out of the dishwasher, comes in and empties into the top of the garbage disposal. Here is your drain that goes out to the main drain line. So what we would look for is we'd run water. If we see any evidence around here, then all we need to do is take a screwdriver and tighten this compression ring here, and that has a rubber seal, and that would take care of that. Up here, if we run the dishwasher and find that this one is leaking, then all we got to do is we've got to tighten this compression ring. If it's leaking in this area, then what we need to do is make sure that this compression ring here that attaches the garbage disposal to the fitting, we'd want to tighten that clockwise to make sure it's secure up in there. If we find that it's leaking up here in this gasket between the fitting and the sink, then what we would need to do is rotate this counterclockwise and detach the garbage disposal. And before you do that, we want to make sure we remove this fitting here, since this is a fixed pipe, because we don't want to, the weight of the garbage disposal would break this pipe. So we would detach it here and take this ring counterclockwise and drop it down, and then we would tighten. There are 3 screws which tighten this flange up to the sink itself. So we would simply tighten those screws, reattach our garbage disposal, and then run water and check for leaks. Now, if it's leaking somewhere out of the housing itself, then you're going to need to completely replace your garbage disposal, put a new one in. So again, we'll check the drain from the dishwasher, and then also the attach point and the connector to the garbage disposal. And those would be the areas that you would check. Most of the time you can just tighten something up, it'll take care of your leak. So I'm Tim Gibson, and that's how to fix a leak on a garbage disposal.